In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Canon ImageCLASS LBP633 or 632 CDW printer to the factory defaults. So go to the printer control panel. Click on the home button. Scroll down. Click on the menu, Management Settings, Initialize all data settings. Scroll down and click on the OK button. Confirm yes. So printer will restart. That's the main screen of the printer, and it is reset to the factory default setting. Thanks for watching.